So in this video we are going to learn about how to add audio effects and mainly how to tweak the audios left and right, and it will sound super good. So first you have to go to audio effects, and here you can see time and pitch. In time and pitch, go to mute and apply that effect into the audio one. So now go to effect control. Here you can see mute all, mute left, mute right. So if I play this clip and go to mute all, the entire audio section will be mute. So if I go to mute left, the left side will be mute and the right side will be unmute, and you can hear the audio as well. Now go to right, you can hear it in right side but not the left side. So this is a very good effect. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.